Hi, it's Heather and welcome to my channel today. I'm going to show you how to do an increase stitch. So an increase stitch is basically where you're taking one stitch and you're turning it into two stitches. So you do two crochet stitches into the one stitch, and in that way you're increasing the number of stitches you'll have at the end of your round, or the end of your row if you're working in rows. I'm going to show you how to do the single crochet increase, and all you do is crochet your single crochet stitch as usual, and for an increase you would do another SC into the same stitch. So I'm back into that same stitch and doing another single crochet, and now I have two SCs in this stitch here rather than just having the one. I'll show you that again. So an increase stitch for single crochet, I'm going in, doing my single crochet stitch, I'm going back into the same stitch and I'm doing another one, and I have two SCs in the one stitch. And you're going to come across increases a lot, and particularly in amigurumi where you're creating shapes and you want to end up with more stitches at the end of the round so that you're making your shape bigger. And so that's a pretty basic stitch for crochet. You might do increases in different types of stitches. So for example, you might be following a pattern that wants you to do two double crochets in the same stitch. That's known as a treble crochet in UK terminology. And so increase is basically putting two stitches in the one stitch. Okay, so I hope that's been helpful, and if it has, please do hit that like button and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my content.